everyone, thanks for joining my channel. It is Rocky. Guess what? I survived Christmas. I hope you did too. I did a video, the last video, I'm sure you watched it, where I said I was going to show you what I got for Christmas today. I talked about that amazing Rolex watch, that lavish trip to Dubai, and then that long spa day visit. I'm excited to let you know that I didn't get any of those things. But I did get some cool gifts and I want to share those with you. I'll get right into it. Hey, wait 1 minute. Before we go on, why don't you hit that subscribe button? Come on, right? Yep, right there. Click. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's get right into it. All right, so I'm bringing my trusty, I don't know if you remember this, but this is the only decoration that I put up in my house. I got my trusty stocking together and I'm gonna show you some of the things that I got. So as you guys know, if you've been rocking with me since the beginning, that I am a huge lover of tea. Searched all over the world for special yellow tea, got drawers and piles of tea. So the very first gift should be no surprise why I love it so much. The first one is a gift card to Starbucks. Super generous gift card to Starbucks. So you guys know that one of my guilty pleasures, well, not even all that guilty. Every weekend I go to a cafe or coffee shop. Starbucks is one of them. And I sit there with my drink and my thoughts and my journal, do all kinds of things, but I have to have my tea in hand. So this is perfect for me. All right, this next item shouldn't surprise you very much. It talks about another one of my loves, matches my beautiful skin, definitely satisfies my urges at night. Don't think you know about this, but it is a yummy box of Godiva chocolates. This is a gift from one of my coworkers. I bet my coworkers who are watching are expecting me to bring this and share. Nope, not sharing. This is going in my belly, all me. The next item we've talked about before, usually I get this from my parents because they know me best. They know there are only a couple things that satisfy me most when it comes to getting gifts. But this one actually came from my uncle. It's very surprised. So you guys know I love doing too much. And in this department, I don't even think there's a way to do too much. No such thing as too much. But this is a very lavish, very generous bracelet from my uncle. My uncle lives in Florida. He tries his best to stay in contact with me all the time, and this is his way of doing that. This is so beautiful, so nice. I'm actually gonna wear this for the rest of the video. All right, let's dig and dig. Wait a minute, oh wait, that's because I have a huge pile right here. The next couple of items are, again, no surprise. Everybody seems to know everything about me, probably because I do these videos. But the next one is, when you know this about me before you even see me come into the room, how much I love this. So I absolutely love roses. You guys know that about me. First started loving roses, and again, this is probably a terrible story to say, but I used to steal my neighbor's roses when I was a kid because I absolutely loved how they smelled. I got cuts and pricks and everything on me, but didn't care. So this gift is definitely a way for me to get my roses without all of the pricks and bruises. This next gift is a rose petal scented soap, and they look just like rose petals. This is so amazing. I've never seen anything like it. This is from a brand called Live Green. Very unique idea. Look, if you love roses like me, I would suggest you go and check this out. These are beautiful. They're amazing. I don't even know that I'm gonna use these. They're so beautiful. And along the same lines with rose smelling things, this one coworker just went all out. She even got me, check this out, a personal diffuser. I've never even heard of anything like this. It's Misty Ultrasonic Personal Diffuser with organic rose water, and it's a rechargeable and cordless diffuser. So I would imagine I could have this at my desk, keep this in my purse, and just have my own rose smelling entourage with me all the time. This is by a brand called Guru Nanda. I'm not familiar with the brand, but this is pretty friggin' amazing. So I'm going to test this all out, the soap, the diffuser, and definitely gonna come back and let you know what I think of it. But just offhand, I am so impressed with the idea of having a personal diffuser where I can just have an aura of roses all around me all the time. This next thing is a very special gift. This came from a family member, and this is something that I will use all the time. I've been posting on Instagram about this lately. I look ridiculous because I love going extreme with this, really ridiculous. But I absolutely love in the winter to have really thick, big hats, scarves, gloves. It's ridiculous. So my family member got me this in red, and I've been leaning towards getting more red and more green things lately, so this falls right in line with what I need. But I absolutely love being ultra bundled up. Ultra, like ridiculous, bundled up, and this plays right in line with that. So I am really excited about this gift. I'll be wearing this soon. Check out my IG and you'll see it there. Oh, my name on Instagram, just in case you don't know, is Rocky_is_me. Rocky_is_me. Check me out there to see all of the things that I buy here, and you can see how I use them in real life. All right, the last thing I want to talk about is probably the most exciting gift, because I've never done anything like this. You know, my calling, I missed my calling. I should have been like a model or an actress or a singer. Yeah, anyway, so this one plays to that fantasy sort of career path that I should have taken, but I didn't take. But this one is going to allow me to do better things for you as well as for me, and have fun doing it. It is a professional video and photo shoot. I don't know if I'm going to have to like comb my hair or wear makeup or something, because you guys know that's not what I do. I don't do that. But if I have to make this like super cool, I will. Yeah, so I don't even know how to describe this. I'm gonna be all like, hey, 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 maybe not. But my husband actually got it for me, and it's right along the lines of what I've been doing for YouTube. He thought I should just step up my game, do something that's a little bit better, get some pictures out there, and I am not opposed to it. I love the idea, and I'm gonna be hamming it up for the camera. But I think that if you guys were considering something like that, you should try it out, even if it's just for fun, even if you want to do it for professional purposes, like update your headshot or something like that. It never hurts to have it done professionally if that's where you're trying to go. Whew. Now that we've closed the chapter on Christmas, it's time to move forward onto the new year, and with the new year comes new goals. Do you remember last January where I made 2019 goals? I wonder how well I did. How many of those goals did I hit? I want you to come back for the next video. Next video, we're gonna talk about my 2019 goals and how well I did on those goals. I would love to have a conversation to see how you did with your goals too. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can come back and talk about those goals. Thank you so much for watching again. Hit the like button, share it with your friends. Bye.